Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a sales document. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales document and introduce the sales document page. It is under Customer Invoice. And here it is. The general sales document page mainly implements the management of the entire invoice process, from creation, approval, to posting. Let's create a new sales document by clicking this button. First, select the customer name. Some information will automatically pop up, such as the customer ID, AR account, and the payment term. You can edit the customer information on the customer account page if needed. The due date is automatically calculated using the document date and payment terms. The posting date and document date default to the current date, but you can edit them if you like. Let's fill out the other information like facility and the document type for the credit memo. If the sales document is posted, it will automatically sync to the customer credit manual apply page. Next, let's fill out the item detail page. When the item name is selected, the item and account are set and cannot be edited. You can change the unit price and quantity here. The amount will be calculated automatically. Also, you have to fill out the department, location, team, and class. After all information is filled out, a sales document is created and it will be under the draft status. You can only edit the sales document under this status. Once it's ready, you can click Submit for approval and an email will be sent to the accounting team to get approval for the sales document. After that, the status will change to Submitted for approval. The person with permission can approve or reject this sales document. If it is rejected, you can edit the sales document and it will go back to the draft status. You can submit it for approval again. If it is approved, the status will change. And you can post the sales document. If it is posted, the sales document will become effective. If you want to void this sales document, you can click this button to void it if necessary. The status will change to void. So that will be it for how to create a sales document. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please check out our other tutorial videos.